Greetings my friends and welcome. Today we will explore the Rastafari ways and principles of life. Whether you are new to Rastafari teachings or just curious, this is for you. I will take you step by step through the essential ways Rastafari people live and why these principles are so important in daily life. Before we begin, if you are new here, please consider liking this video, subscribing and leaving a comment. Every voice matters, and I want to hear your thoughts as we share this journey together. Rastafari life is built on a foundation of spirituality, natural living, and love for humanity. At the heart of Rastafari is I-tal living. This means eating foods that are natural, pure, and free from chemicals. Many Rastafari follow vegetarian or vegan diets. Some avoid pork, shellfish, alcohol, and recreational drugs. Why is this important? Because the body is seen as a temple for Jah, and caring for it is a spiritual practice. Eating natural foods gives energy, clarity, and strength to live with purpose. If you are finding this information useful, take a moment to hit that like button. It helps others discover this knowledge too. Another key principle is faith and spirituality. Rastafari people believe in Jah, the living God. Haile Selassie I is seen as the representative of Jah on earth. Daily prayer, meditation, chanting, and reading sacred texts are part of everyday life. Why does this matter? Spiritual practices guide decisions, strengthen the heart, and bring inner peace. They help Rastafari people stay grounded in a world that can sometimes be confusing and unjust. Next is one love and unity. Rastafari believe all people are connected. The saying, "one blood, one people," reminds us that love and respect for everyone are essential. In daily life, this means helping neighbors, supporting family, and fostering harmony in the community. Love is not just a feeling, it is an action. Now, if you feel connected to this idea, please leave a comment and share your thoughts. Every voice matters, no matter where you are in the world. Rastafari also teach resistance to Babylon. Babylon represents oppression, greed, corruption, and materialism. Living against Babylon means refusing to follow harmful systems blindly, rejecting greed, and choosing a path of integrity and freedom. This is not always easy, but it is essential for personal and spiritual growth. Every day, Rastafari make choices to live freely and consciously, staying true to their values. Another important principle is wearing natural hair, like dreadlocks, and embracing cultural identity. Dreadlocks are a symbol of strength, spiritual connection, and pride. Rastafari honor their African roots, remembering their ancestors and celebrating culture through music, art, and community. Daily life includes living with pride, awareness, and respect for heritage. If you enjoy learning about cultural traditions like this, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Every subscriber helps us grow this positive community. Rastafari also focus on healing and health. Mind, body, and soul must be in balance. This can include natural remedies, I-tal foods, and spiritual practices. Daily life is not just about surviving, it's about thriving in harmony with nature and the spirit. These practices help Rastafari live longer, stronger, and more connected to Jah. Other principles include honesty, integrity, community support, and hard work. Labor is sacred. Each act done with honesty and purpose is an offering to Jah and to the community. Rastafari reject oppression, stand against injustice, and use their lives to uplift others. These daily practices are the foundation of a righteous life. So, in summary, Rastafari ways and principles of life are about spiritual connection with Jah, I-tal living and natural foods, respect for all life and nature, love, unity, and community support, cultural pride and ancestral awareness, resistance to oppression and Babylon, and, healing, honesty, and integrity in every action. These principles are not just rules, they are a way of living every day with purpose, consciousness, and love. Thank you for listening and learning about the Rastafari ways of life. Remember, every voice matters. I encourage you to like this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps spread understanding and positivity worldwide. Until next time, stay conscious, stay loving, and walk with Yah.